Gusto mo bang malaman kung bakit hindi ka pa umaabot sa level ng success na gusto mo? It's because you are making the number one mistake. You're trying to do it alone. Nung nagsimula ako sa online business, akala ko kaya ko maging successful na mag-isa. Pero ito yung natutunan ko. Lahat pala ng mga successful na tao, meron silang tinatawag na support system. Meron silang community, meron silang mentors, at hindi sila nagiging successful na mag-isa lang. Here's the reality. Kung susubukan mong gawin lahat mag-isa, you'll be stuck. Kaya palagi mong tandaan that success is not a solo game but a team sport. At yun yung meron tayo dito sa Digital Tycoons Worldwide. These are the 3 reasons why having a community will change your business. So these are the 3 reasons why having a community will make your business is successful. Reason number 1, you get support when you're stuck. Kapag nahihirapan ka, you have people around you that will lift you up. Kasi nga sa online business, may mga araw na ang hirap kumilos. Pero sa community ng Digital Tycoons Worldwide, hindi ka nag-iisa. May mga kasama ka na gusto ding umangat kagaya mo. At yung community na yon ay magtutulungan para sabay-sabay lahat makaangat. Reason number 2, you learn from the experience of others. Hindi mo kailangan na mag-figure out ng lahat mag-isa. Sa community ng Digital Tycoons Worldwide, matututo ka sa pagkakamali at success ng iba. You get shortcut to success at mabilis ka makakaangat kapag may kasama kang mas nauna sa'yo. Reason number 3, you stay accountable to your goals. Kasi pag mag-isa ka lang, mabilis ka mawala sa focus. Pero kapag may kasama kang nagpo-push sa'yo, mas mabilis kang magpupursige because the community push you to hit your goals. So kung gusto mo magtagumpay, ito yung palagi mong tatandaan. Stop trying to do it alone. Success is a team sport. Join a community, learn from others, and let them help you get your goals faster. And that's how you gonna win. So kung gusto mo ng ganito pang mga klaseng content, follow mo lang ako sa lahat ng social media accounts ko and share mo tong video na to para mas marami pa tayong matulungan maging successful at magtagumpay sa online business. See you in the next video.